Okay, today we're going to be doing a walkthrough on this rental unit that I'm getting prepared. This would be the washroom, washer hookup, wash tub. A door will be going right here. I am still working on this balcony. I'm going to be doing a baluster, grill door, and grill this area also. This is the kitchen area. It's already painted. We have lights. This is the bedroom. At first I thought this bedroom was small, but I realized after I shipped my king size bed that there's still a lot of space in here. My mattress is on the ground because my shipper moved. He delivered half of my stuff. So I got half of the back spring and all the bed, but got light in here also. So I wasn't able to put up my bed because I only have one back spring. So I just put it on the ground for now. They should be delivering the rest of my stuff today. I don't know yet. I haven't heard from them. Wait to hear what's going on with that. This is the bathroom right here. Got light. Good. Everything is working. Got power. Also, I shipped down 5 toilets. I haven't received any yet. Alright. That's to wash my hand for now, temporary. My sink hasn't arrived yet. I also shipped that down. This is the grill for this window. I'm just gonna make a new one and use this grill somewhere else. I have some doors coming. I have a cabinet coming. Also, I have a cabinet coming. The guy's it's being made by the carpenter or whatever you call him. I don't know. Cabinet guy. I don't know what you call him. I don't know. And the doors is being made also. There's a picture of the doors. They're gonna be beautiful. They're gonna have. It's going to be black with a frosted glass for this door and this door. So I have to do one more coat of paint also. So I have half my stuff already. I don't have everything. Well, I have some of my stuff. So I'm building a retaining wall from there down, around, and up there. We're going to bring it to the level of that concrete right there. Dump it up, and I don't know, either I'm going to do concrete or some kind of driveway. It's going to be a driveway, so I don't know what I'm going to do yet. But we'll cross that when I get to it. Right now my mason's here doing a rough cast and render. You wanted? Nobody not come for you. Yeah. So right now we rendering the ceilings. Get this thing done. Upstairs has been rough cast and rendered already. Just doing downstairs now. Needs to be rendered, and we can move on to the next step. The master bedroom. That is a beautiful sight. You're looking at Clarendon all the way over there. Nice, quiet, and peaceful. This closet, like I said, everything is rendered already. I have to do the ceiling. I haven't got to that yet. Bathroom, master bathroom. It's come along nice. No complaints here. Over here needs to be rendered. Hasn't been rendered yet. I'll get to it shortly. Soon. Jumper storage right now. Jack and Jill bathroom. Another bedroom over here. Still haven't got my, I don't know, catwalk, whatever you call it. I'm supposed to be building something going across so I can walk across and go on top of the garage. Haven't been done yet. Still gotta correct that door and close this window up. My electrician has already started piping up downstairs. So we got it from the meter box, the circuit box. Pipe digged all the way underneath here, going outside to the main. These pipes are going to my generator, solar panel, and that's going to be in the storeroom. And here needs to be rendered. He's working on that soon. Will be done hopefully by this week. It's come along. It surely is. Look at some wood. To put on the pot later. So I'm gonna build a retaining wall right here. Like I said earlier. Level off this. And I'm not gonna fight the landscape. I'm gonna try to work with it as much as possible. But I need to get rid of some of this red dirt from around the house. Over here, I'm gonna fence this area off. I'm gonna fence straight down and around to that tree right there. I think that's where my property go down to. This tree. Now bring it all the way to the back over here where the stone wall's at. I'm not sure what I'm going to do back there yet as far as the stone wall back there, but I am going to put a fence. I don't know if I'm going to use concrete or chain link, but let's see what happens. Well, see you guys in the next video.